too.
Do it real quick.
Whatever. Keep it over there. Don't bring it over here. No, the other way, baby.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You need bubbles? Ew, say excuse me.
No, you got to. There you go. He's going to get irritated. He's already getting there.
For what?
He gets irritated after a good while.
Bubbles!
More, big bubbles, Bobby. Big bubbles.
You catch the bubbles.
Okay.
No, like this, look.
Where? Go like this. Go like this. Look, watch, like this. You'll get more bubbles that way.
The other way, Aiden, you're not laying it down right.
You're like a fish.
The other way, the other way.
What? What? Oh. You hit Thea with the whatever that is. You should tell Grandma to get you sidewalk chalk. So you can ride on the sidewalks.
Got the big one, yeah.
You got